Alrighty, babes. Hi, I missed you. Did you miss me? Probably not, because, I know. What the hell have I been doing? But today, I've been doing a video for you guys, and I'm hoping to have it posted here shortly. As you see, I applied some primer. It is the beautiful POREfessional by Benefit Cosmetic, I believe. Yes, ma'am. Benefit Cosmetics. Next, you will see me applying my foundation by the beautiful Makeup Forever. This is new to me, but I love it. As you can see, I only applied a little bit and my brush was really dirty. That was what I was saying, and the face I was making is I need to do better. But I am applying this over a red color corrector that I applied under my eye area and any other dark spot that I had or I felt I wanted just a little bit of coverage on. As you can see, for that pimple in the middle of my face, I could not cover everything, okay? Moving on, I'm moving on to the eyes, of which today, as you read, I am using the beautiful Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm using the beautiful colors Royalty and Cranapple from the palette, as well as a natural skin tone color from my BH Cosmetic Contour Powder Palette. They have two. They have a contour cream and a contour powder, and that I will be using from the contour powder. I will be using that natural shade kind of for my crease color. I'm going in with a nice fluffy blending brush and just applying that natural shade to my area above the crease. When you do makeup and love hair, right? The terms, you know. But I'm just going to go in and apply that natural shade over my eye. And then go into what has been the most amazing purchase this year for me. This Jaclyn Hill palette, let me just talk about it a little bit because that's why we're here, right? That's what it said. This palette is amazeballs, and that's just me being real and as censored as I can be for those that I know may get on YouTube. It's so freaking nice. She took her time. She put her heart into it, and you can tell from the jump of the packaging. And I'm not I don't even know her to kiss ass, so I'm just being real. This is just someone who went and spent their hard-earned cash. And I got 3 kids, a dog, and a husband. So when you know I'm spending cash, I need it, I want it. It better be something. This was, I'm being real. The shade you see me applying here whenever my camera decides to focus, is the beautiful purple shade Royalty, which just because my favorite color is purple did I love it, but because for real, the pigment of this bad boy is so freaking nice. And as a woman of color, as someone who knows that it is very hard to have people come out nowadays and make pigments that show on my skin tone without having to apply the extra 2 shades lighter concealer or the extra eyeshadow, without going the extra mile. I like that. I swatched it on my fingertips and it came up just the beautiful shade you see now on my eyelids, and I love that. I love that. She did her thing. I love the fact that she took the time to name every color. And this ain't no shade to those that do it and don't, but just for real, I know that took time, and that took time she said, I'm going to give because this is my baby and I care about it and it deserves that. There's some names on here like Faint and Roxanne, Hilster, Pooter. And Pooter I love. The moment I saw it, I died laughing because I love House Bunnies. That's one of my favorite movies. She has the name Creamsicle Butter, Central Park, Soda Pop, and a bunch of others. That purple shade, like I said, Royalty, that was icing on the cake for me, if I must say, because like I said, purple is my favorite color. So if she didn't want to put any other shade in here, the fact that she put purple, I just want her husband to share it with me just a little. I'm just kidding. But she really did her thing, and congrats to her for this, you know, whatever success she gets and has gotten from it, because it's deserving. Like, she deserves it. It's really an amazing palette. And like I said, those were the colors that I used from it. I'm just going in now, as you see, and making sure that I blend, baby. I actually want to get that tattooed on my arm, because it's something I think that I really use on other factors outside of just my makeup. You know, you got to blend someone's hair naturally to a sew-in if you don't want it to look ridiculous. And you got to blend life to personal to professional sometimes when it comes to how you carry things. So you just got to blend. As you can see here, I am using the amazing Fenty Beauty, and I will do a review video on that soon. But these are the colors that I'm using for my highlight and my contour, and I'm going to go in with my blending brush and make sure I blend those out. As you read, make sure that it's wet. That has been my best friend to this guide that I have seen, is as long as I got it a little moist. My sister Kiana hates that word. She cannot stand the word moist. So I'll say it again. I might even type it across the screen. Moist, Kiana. But as long as you got it moist, it actually blends out my makeup and my stuff, you know, my concealer and stuff a whole lot better for me. Now this is for me. You know, please don't do this and then it don't work and then be like, excuse me, Afro Mama, you said. Look, for me, again, I state, I do makeup, but I love hair. So makeup is something, because, come on, look at my brows and like, look at my eyes, like, who wouldn't love to do this? Like, who wouldn't? So come on. So, you know, so don't hold me to it. But this is what works for me. I have to have my beauty blender wet for it to blend me out and make me look like I would look. Goddamn it. Come on, Dash. Yes, girl. So going in with the contour powder palette again from the BH Cosmetic. You see those two shades that I'm referring to, pointing to. I am going to just use to set that beautiful Fenty Beauty. I know there's a lot of other amazing setting powders out there. I'm actually going to do a review I'll be posting shortly on a product haul, and in that product haul is an amazing Airspun, I apologize, product that I recently picked up from my local Walgreens. And I've heard amazing things about that. But this is what works for Dash, for me. And I like this. So this is the contour palette from BH Cosmetic in the powder. And I'm going in with those shades, again, like I said, and just setting what I did with that Fenty Beauty. And making sure that everything is going to be alright. Just sit there all day, because that's what I want it to do. I don't need nothing extra going on with it. I need to just hold still, and I'll come back when I'm ready. Bam. So going in with my eyes, I'm just using the amazing They're Real, again from the Benefits Cosmetic mascara. It's something I picked up, as you can see, in the bite-size version, no, in the travel size, just to throw in my purse. You know, sometimes in the day in the beautiful cosmetology industry, all you need to pick your day up after 2 or 3 clients is a little mascara and some gloss, baby. Get your lip gloss popping and you'll be okay. So I picked up that travel to throw in my purse for those days, just to spruce up my eyes and get my life together when I need so. And it's really nice. As you can see, I am not fond of falsies because half the damn time I can't get them things off. But this right here on my natural eyes, as you can see, looks good. I then go in with the highlight from the Fenty Beauty. I apologize, Fenty Beauty in Cinnamon. I got that, as you can see, in that trio set that they have, where you get like the contour, highlight, and highlight, or contour, conceal, and highlight. And so I'm just using the cinnamon stick from my collection for my highlight. I apply that to my nose and under my eyes to make sure when I turn each way, you just look like for a split second, baby, God just broke open the clouds and just kissed me just a little bit. I go in with the beautiful Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle and Griselda to my lips, and then you're gonna see me unwrap and bring this thing together, okay? I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I have enjoyed talking you through it. I am now using like whatever I can just tap up my nose because that's who I am, okay? I love you guys. Alrighty guys, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. I hope you like it. I want to take a moment to, again, I know I'm going to keep saying this, but just thank everybody for their support, and thank you to everyone who is following and supporting and thumbs upping like crazy. I'm coming to you guys. I'm working on it with as many videos as the good Lord would allow me to do in a decent time that you will like. I must say though, I love this. Ooh, I got it like all type of fucked up, but I love this palette. Do you see? I'm gonna get up close and you're gonna see them. Popping, honey. They are popping, darling. I love it. The lip color that I'm wearing is the beautiful by the beautiful Fenty Beauty. It's the Mademoiselle and Griselda. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I thought it'll, you know, match my shirt that I have on. But yes, this is the finished look, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. And I want you to remember this, like I tell you all the time, this is real, y'all. It's a beautiful day. You're a beautiful person. It's a great day. You're a great person. So go be great. Like legit, it is a beautiful day and you are a beautiful person, and it's a great day and you're a great person. So go be great. Don't let no one, I mean that from the bottom of my heart, you don't take nothing away from this video. Please take this. I don't know you personally to know your situation. I don't know what you yourself might be going through, but I'm here to tell you, you got it. You got this. Stay with it. Stay focused. Stay grinding. Stay humble. Stay blessed. You're great. Be great. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, follow, subscribe. No, is it subscribe, follow? Do whatever you do here. See, that's the problem with social media. It's so much stuff going on. You cross vocabulary, but subscribe, like, comment, thumbs up, all that stuff, and all that stuff. And I'll be back with another video for you guys next week. Take care.